Hey guys, it's Linda Bjork here with some truth bombs for leaders. Are you ready? Because what I keep hearing that we need to drop one of these truth bombs on is this crazy idea, and I hear it so often in so many different ways and so many industries, that I can't do what I love and make money. Really? Where did you get this idea from? Well, I can tell you exactly what you got that idea from. It's been a perfect idea for those who want to make loads of money based on people who work really hard for them to make a lot of money. See? And there you are, buying all of that. We've all bought into the idea that we have to suffer. We have to work so hard, and it's going to take such a long time to make money. And this is just such a crazy idea. But it is just that. It's just an idea. So today we're going to drop this truth bomb on ourselves, and we're going to say, what's it going to be? What are we going to choose? Because this is a choice, and you can do it. You can say, I will never make money off of skiing. I will never make money off of my photography. I will never make money as a leader because I have all these excuses in my head that in order to be a leader that makes money is going to be the type of leader that I don't want to be, and so I'm going to stay right here. Wherever you are and you have this kind of idea, please know that there is an alternative. You don't have to think, I need to suffer and work hard to make money. And most of all, you don't have to buy into the idea that you can't do what you love and make money. So let's look at the alternative. Number one thing you need to do in the alternative is to ask yourself, why do you want to make money? It's actually a really good question for yourself, because that's going to perpetuate the thought process around what you love. Because if your goal with making a lot of money is actually to help certain organizations or to help certain causes or to be a good force in the world, then all of a sudden there you have a lot of energy just from that. You have a lot of inspiration, and for daily tasks you have a lot of motivation. So what's the answer for you? Why do you want to make money in the first place? If we have this, I can't do what I love, and I can't make money from what I love. And then I'm here to really tell you that the alternative belief system that you can build up is actually that it's by doing what you love that you're going to make a lot of money. Because that is when you approach something with love, with enthusiasm, with I can't wait to get up in the morning, what are you going to do? You're going to contribute to the world in a way where people are going to want to give you their money. So doesn't that make sense to you? Isn't that just absolutely logical in a way? But it's a choice that we haven't been encouraged to make. It's much better if you stay where you are, you work really hard so that I can make money off of you. And of course, I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about the idea of having, this is the industrial business world, this is what we do. This is the system that's rigged against thinking that I can make money from doing what I love. And maybe making money isn't that great anyway, So you have to really fold all these things into, I personally love money. I personally really love the energy of money, and I love what I can do with money, what I can contribute with money. I'm not afraid of money. I think it's a great energy. It can be super dangerous with money because there's a certain amount of power that comes with money. And so we have this idea about rich people that we are actually very resentful towards rich people. So maybe there are things under your mindset about money that is actually deeper than just dismissing the whole thing as, oh, I can't do what I love and make money. Because when you're stuck in that, you limit yourself to a life of struggling with poverty, and poverty, we have to put sort of poverty, and doing sort of what you like, but you don't like your life because you're always out of money, or you're suffering doing what you don't want to do, what you don't believe in, what doesn't make your juices flow, and you make money and you make do. But those are suffering choices. So with the choice of looking at it from a very different way, looking at money as energy and you as energy and your work efforts as energy, you're going to put yourself in a completely different position. So that's a truth bomb that we really need to hear today, because you have some important decisions to make. The world needs your juice. The world needs your talents. And there's no reason that you can step up and do what you love and have anything you want, really. Because when you're truthful about what you don't want 15 boats. You don't want 20 houses. It's a lot to just have the 1 or 2 houses, you know? And so whatever it is that's good for you is what we need to focus on. And you need to start really paying attention to what your belief system is. And maybe what you can really take from this truth bomb, really, episode, is to change I can't do what I love and make money to I can't do what I love and make money on my own. This is not, we don't belong to an energetic world in isolation. So we need help. I can't think of one cool leader doing what they want in the world who doesn't have support. They have a support system. They have mentors. They have strategists around them. They have coaches. Because they have recognized this co-creative part about being successful and making money has so much to do with a larger way of looking at things. And that's why I do what I do. I am here to support you, support people like you who want to step into their love, to want to step into a kind of success that really resonates with them, yeah? And with that, I offer you and other leaders like you who really want to step into their greatness a free breakthrough call with me. And you can just book it in my calendar. You'll find a link somewhere here around this video where you can find a time that suits you, and we'll talk about it. Let's talk about how we can take what you love and the idea of making money and put them a lot closer to each other until they're the same. Because it's possible. And I know that I'm competing with 300,000 hours or so of another type of programming, and I've had you for 10 minutes, but I still hope that somewhere in you, you resonate with this fact that you can put these seeming opposite today together in one. And I hope to hear you on a breakthrough call soon, and I hope to see you back soon for another episode of Really. Until then, take care.